Everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Ha-ha. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, ah. Say, oh, oh. Say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, yeah. To say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things? Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are. Lord, you are. You're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. Lord, you're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. Lord, you are. You're my everything. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Hello. Busia. Emaniji Emahosepes, and Nemi Dain so many quines, Minos Babishia, Ewojumedia Yato Ding said the community and the law. The community and the law about Momenda area between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. UK time, and between 3 and 6 p.m. GMT. If you will suffering Paul and Eminem Dijumedia, which I'm a medical more aware, and then topic and also hit screen as well, or say why has the Home Office rejected my Ghana marriage dissolution certificate? Question we yebisa lawyer for na or say obabi yano ede amaye and teacher and so say what the question what the concern no ebe by the number any details no ebe to you. But then I have a very special discussion to do na a bibia actually wondering Ghana teacher, and the question is the electronic levy or the e-levy ababe piano saying amanone. Those of us in the diaspora, how is it going to affect us? We're going to the technical committee of the Ghana Revenue Authority na omo achechemu. And inti say me kana sadia any na me catch or sebo modi enka ho na nebra na yina yenhia ewo dwumadie the community and the law. Hello, Busia. Mijidi yesa wo ye na mijidi yesu se wato afre obi se omra na oni yen eminya mehia ewo dwumadi so eye the community and the law. Ebi o ye frame oreko owusu frempom management aja penifo asemi ne ho chiame ena memenda awie. The very first one in the month of May 2022. Yeah, baby bisa in some akasie mienu na in some akasie mienu aye baby bisa no ni nyina me yiri se efa ho pa na me kai so we live ewo BW TV so we live ewo BW radio so nyina obenya yen wo BW Communications website www.bwcommunications.co.uk. And also say obi hu yen Facebook no BWTV any BWF Solicitors where your Facebook page. It be also so YouTube obi hu yen BWTV any BWF Solicitors and your YouTube page and also so. Say oba na wa share page no or like a page no wa share na fe wa click on notification button no say black button na Facebook video no answer na amanfo nso so ehunu senia wo de ACT ono so asua bi na fe nso so ye de bibia eto page no so na yabo amane na otumi ka no aba behwe. This program is live on BW Radio as well as Medical Amane PAMTV and Abawa Radio so ewo UK. Ene mesi ye ba bibisa nsam akese mienu dedi kan topic a yen mpanimfo ade atudwa ade aman wo se mede awari jaye krata efri Ghana ba adenti na Home Office ebe rejected. Why has the Home Office rejected my Ghana marriage dissolution certificate? I don't know. Maybe there's a reason why you answer in free the right place and answer to say lawyer for nim dentia Home Office for a rejected na ekwan ya befa so etimi etu ho anamo the toso mienu eye enkoma when we have looked at our nuggets no ye dey ebebro na eno eye emrafofro bi a eyi ni ti ewo Ghana the very 1st of May 2022 na emra parliament share yegitu mu say obi electronic transaction biana I was say you're charging 1.75% and now say 1.5 or whatever rate no me penny for a year no adiamai ye wo amanene those of us in the diaspora how does that affect us na ochibia busumi bia ana say ebrebia no osende sika eko wo maame wo papa ana say busuafo mobile money wallet no so. Yes, say omuko yiskana yebeti won and answer to say these are questions I would want to pose and we're going to the technical committee of the Ghana Revenue Authority na omo eyi eho and mayen sebeya yebeti asie how is it going to affect us those in the diaspora. Any mono me person I will say we're live on BWTV, BW Radio, and the BWF Solicitors platform. So na yedi aseda emma BWF Solicitors. Ewo emwa ode boye ma yedi jumedie ebrewo ebrebiara. BWF Solicitors. Eye juma Monday to Friday. Free anopa 9:30. Ekopim enyumere 6 o'clock. Omo ewo 214 to 218. Tottenham High Road no so 7 Sisters North London. Wo number no nie. Tro now fe fatuk baby nebe here odache 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 and also say over 077 127 61884 077 127 61884 BWF Solicitors emra ejumaku amoye lawyers. Very competent lawyers, very trustworthy lawyers. Emrano ebafufro bi a mo ema yete ase ocheche mu say Ghana mra say UK mra oma yete ase. Sanso so na applications ahodo ne ade nyina ye de ekokoma won na afei odi ho dwuma edemai. BWF Solicitors ene said you ne da bia no wo man yen resource person ebadwumedi so ema ye de questions are ye wono eto won anim titu the major one that has come up during the week the two anim na oba be ya no man na fe we de wo che wadwen de opese obi se bia no so wo de aba wa bra ye de your number ye de adwuma no ebeto 07399208 and also send the text 07950422780. And then me try ye me wo lawyer Patrick ewo free BWF Solicitors say aba you know penny out church yem remu na feel my te ho ene manyina ase ene ono na oni e ba be di dwumen lawyer ewo na yes say munyina munye kradwe na fe mumfa munsemisa ene mo consent no enye ready na mumfa mra but answer na me kwakoto won kra no menchia me ni
yes that's it.
Na apomo to say.
Apomo ye nyame adom we can grace after grace.
Adom kese you adom na abusuafo wa adwuma mu ni ade.
Yes obia ho ye nyame adom ho keka no wosoro.
Okay.
You are no bossa no. nkɔfoɔ bɛhyɛ aseɛ buku holidays.
That's right.
Nkɔfoɔ hyɛ aseɛ so buku holidays na unim deɛ ɔmo hwehwɛ visa no ɛne asetena no sɛ bɛyɛ a ɔmo betumi akɔ na ɔkɔsena busuafo no aba. So a period na ma nneɛma mu yɛ but you know we're up to the tax and until na yɛtu yɛ ho asi hɔ nti no ɛnya deɛ yɛ hu nti yɛ kai abusuafo no ne clients no ɛne ɔmo a ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛka ku no nyinaa sɛ yes adwuma no ɛkɔ so nti no sɛne da bia yɛka no na nkɔfa car boot for no hɔ na every time a wabuku flight a o twɛn visa na akɔyɛ asɛm for the right channel there's every opportunity say on Sabeka visa no and you go and then come back safely.
Okay. I was here, Lawyer Patrick and I'm Martin and can say or Daniel Madi. Well, lawyer, I'm saying every so Mr. Wa, some mobile money in your
Oh, of course, yes. I mean, mobile money. I don't think Sabi Obi wa manoni anaso or baby obeka say
on send discount coffee.
Yes, into senior busua wo fie there. Ye nyina we try as much as we can. Say ye best support to oma so Sabi omo wo ahohia mu anase omo hia bibia omo the best support to niema kakrakra. Yes, we all do it. Into no senior abeya agent ha wo Ghana sa na yesusu ye di hu nkomo amongst ourselves, you know, we every now and again.
And there have something special. Say, I'm going to the technical bits. Penifua, yade emrano amounts on fanya edwuma no mojijiska. Ena omode efa edisua ben omode ma amount for. So we'll do a brief something on that. Dance no eja. Mo na mai bibi DNT. Yankoto monka na afi yensam right. Yade kwe BWF Solicitors enkra ebrew. And unti say obi emma ya bacho free nipa chronicle chene say the program is live. Is the community and the law.
Yeah, fair ma ye wo London. Ya jia basobodie bebre. Ni ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors ukra won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care, eye abofrahwe mu, awaregya ye ho twema mentwe. Ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a, ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care, any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe ni ya wo brei mu. Enu nti ne yeto ye mbo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner Ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu no sanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a unni haw kra. Upe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF Solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasa ginatum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wunni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa nonkron pay mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm. Ena memene danso appointment nkoa free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Yewo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nswa eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law. Wa advising local authorities, official solicitors office, ni solicitors bebre efa Ghanaian law hunye na osan yo bia otai kasa ewo radio any TV so for Ghanaian law.
Yo, and na me conform ourselves, Bibia here, a womremu, a citre, in chichimu, applications, any idea no, fat kokoma, BWF Solicitors, so many can boa money and offer 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. Bidi kan bo amane na mebisa question baako eno ne de eye de kan kra se na wotwe bia bosumi bia ana from bread to bread no wo sende sika de kokoma abusua e wo fie na enche bosumi enumi ya yahase ya ne fiti ase ena embenifo ye se emra wa hye se e-levy enhyase enye adwuma no wo de ahyase eye adwuma na manfo na kwasiada na mresha ase a whole lot of things. Well, sikadi say enim kwasiada ni holiday to whatever it is no na I was say mra no ehya ase. Mra no ehya ase no amanfo ka na yese wo sende sikadodo bi ayento wo sende dru ba bi ayeto me yi sika free me mobile wallet so e de akọ me bank account so anam de free bank account so e come mobile wallet so a yeteme mobile money companies bang and anasa communication companies bang and omo GBA 1 NG and Ghana Revenue Authority for crimes so in share bang no ye ya omo ema amanfo hu senya ade no esi etie. So why was there any confusion if it is that they provided us all with the education and not ye here? We nyina here some of the technical things are ye pese ye de ye ni ehwe na afi ye pe eho emuaye. Eno actually no so ye what diaspora saying ena emra no esi affecting. Semen fan say one very typical question will be bisa me earlier in the week. Me wo a bank account e wo Ghana nti from time to time no na me discuss kwa kotum se be ya me kodru Ghana nya afi na me kwese sika no ne ade nti me wo account wo Ghana. Eno sa no E11 no e ka no anase etesen. E11 no kra no mobile money nko a ene ka no anase e ka other things. Ene yetri ayeye ye wo opani ba ko a oka the technical committee any project committee la ehwe E11 ehun nhihye no na afi wo de atu adwa ama amanfo no yene no ba bedi enkomo eno nti moma mintu fine na menko Ghana na menkofa yenia penny emra na afi omehwe adwumadi no na afi oni eho enkomo emfa emmaye eno nti obusien hwan ena meda na di ade achewe ye wo yenia penny Isaac Kobena Amoako ono member of E-Levy Technical Committee and head of the project management unit of Ghana Revenue Authority. Enti se inia abeka yensasa moma afi yemfa nkomo no enhye so. Bema me mo ha.
Me Joseph.
Yo. Yada se pi se wanya bre ade amaye na nkoma ye ba bedi ye se E-Levy where just something probably as an icebreaker. Say, obi the kind will say, E11 them say jama and kind phone kwan be chair because yile sir. But E11 there.
That's it. E11 a 12 for Ghana mra eshe obia or Ghana or money transfer and I say bank transfer emrano ashe no there was some transfers be say or transfer no eka that type of transfer no ho dia na emrano show say oh yes our transfer na ubetua levy no transfer on mobile money wallet to mobile money wallet network back also. That means your Ghana no MTN to MTN and as a Vodafone to Vodafone.
Okay.
One type of transfer American and the toss me you say all transfer mobile money to another mobile money but or different networks so maybe MTN to Vodafone. It also means say bank account will transfer to Ubifufro only an mobile money.
Okay.
And also account. And there's also a nine say mobile money also will transfer their Ubifufro on a bank account so and also transfer living account. and the return say oh transfer fee or bank account. Bank account on a bank account. That means individual. Corporate account, individual, or bank transfer to another person's bank account. If you bank account, Sikano do M 20,000 Ghana cedis, and also 11 account. So, a quite enum way and a emrano. I must say, we transfer a year within type of transfers we are between 11.
Okay, inti me sana chemi mu se me wo eye Vodafone so ho na me mobile wallet no ewo na se me transfer sika every me fanza me wo numbers me no me transfer sika every one number so e dey call another number so ni nyina eye momo a ye beteme.
Okay, inti o share 11 na it only affects you when you are transferring to somebody else, but not yourself.
Okay.
So far as transfer, no, on send ma wow on there. 11 no, and count. It's a whole transfer they are moving for.
Okay.
As I 11 back count. It is a whole numbers, base 9 or 4. Nani na ya wow there. Our the Ghana card, I register na 11 and count.
Okay. Enti se me pese me sende me mama sika ewo krase me wo nkran. Na me sende kɔ ne mobile wallet no so a. Yimu hwan ne ebete no. De okoje ene ete no ana de o sende ene ete no.
Se o sende if you wallet so. E de ama me a wo send no na ete. De ne sabe kan sika no yente no hwe. But rather they all send sika akono. That's the sender no. Ono na 11 no yebete no.
Okay.
Receiver ne de yente no 11.
Se me yetua me kato me bank account no. Bosome na so no nya fe na bia me kɔ ATM na makoyi. Ana se me kɔ tro check na makoyi. Me pese me de to me mobile wallet so that baby a me kɔ bia na metime de atua eka. So me transfer me market here at the back me bank me wallet no so a se me de me wallet no my register me Ghana card no was so a e be kire se e me a me de ante me ana
sa pepe
Dintia me bisa question we amanfo complaining about it say na me send me am hu sika me ko gi market here me ko ye transaction we no ne ade ne ateme the first few days by some of these pieces of information were all around. Misinformation and crofo ewo anase ti ena omonte ase. But what to make
line breaky but
na maybe say first few days emrano esha ase no there was so much misinformation anase information na ekwa around and we ne beteme sane ya wo cheche yemu. These were not pieces of information I hear outside in your tea. And Crawford Nantiasiana.
Inti say you fair say first meal. A quite ye fast with the fair say Brofumu Yebeka modified phased approach. In church say telcos and answer banks and answer the firm charging entities. Only na one system or more and a use a day at 11 no amabai.
Okay.
Ne tia one say ubi one system non configure me ABA or 70%, ubi or 80%, ubi or 90%.
Okay.
The percentages no any uniform. Nti abra ifre ase ebi mo one system no na calculation no omo nyani ni nyina sene na ye hwehwe se on system ne be no nti nyanti ese obi wo ho a o sene amount below 100 cry and say it no na it no and so ene itumi hu all those almost system ne nye we are omo correct here o sene na endu 100 Ghana yento na o send ama wow ho so na ewo another network so a network na wo so no ontumi nhu inimenime ya say account na ewo the other network no so no wow there.
Okay.
Unless a wa link ni mi obu wa link akọ ne bank ema ya link ni mobile money account to ne bank account eno de om betumi ehu nti obi a wa link ne account bia betumi aka cho say if free as first me ba wo a won link de o ya ye beto enso ye te wa osika no enko kwa utumi report ma o network no.
Okay.
Now, with the ID mfuni ewoso. Now, ID also should be any of the organ, passport count, national ID count, voter ID count, ID BI organ national in nature of the pa telco ni behwe na usika na yate no do hadiama.
Okay. And you know, I mean, miss one of the things. Titru yeah war outside, and I think that's the most critical question for us now. Sani aba sa exemptions and thresholds. No, say me money transfer through most of the companies. Not necessarily naming anyone. You were Tap, you were Western Union, you were World Remit, you were Unity Link, you were all the other ones. Say me send sika eba. Nabia ebe call into a bank account directly, ebe call into my mobile wallet or somebody else's mobile wallet. Part being and e-levy affected.
Okay. So international remittance NTIC and say they all send sika only Ghana. Or any transfer 11 and can type of transfers. And foreign remittance that's own to Ghana anywhere outside Ghana. Now we transfer now. It be so Ghana. Wo na wo send if he amanonino 11 and can.
Na the all jisika ne.
Emrani say they all sending a pet and 11 should apply to. It is a wow sending apply to you, it means that there is no 11.
Okay. So me momo eto petrol. And now me call grocery shop, me call Accra Mall, Kumasi Mall, wherever. Na me call Tadia. Why na yebeti ni 11? Dia me Tadia wone ho. And na se me Tadia no.
So Emrano ama exemptions and exclusions. Exclusions no eba Quinstian. I mean any kind emo bosto answer question besides what are there hinani bitia 11.
Okay.
Exclusion edi kan say debia yama 100 Ghana cedis sa 100 Ghana cedis no send na endu 100 Ghana na say 100 Ghana and below 11 count on daily basis. Cumulative in charge and say account more than one ebeka ni nyina bo na yamao 100 Ghana exemption de bia 100 Ghana.
Okay.
They also mean we say ni sika de ama wow means say accounts are when nyina the Ghana card and they are register and also 11 account. It also means say utia to the amount by taxes and fees. Your platform be a taxes or Ghana say a friend in Ghana.gov. We use our platform need to our taxes and also 11 income.
Okay.
It also 9. Your payments be away online and also 11 income. Say auto petrol, auto DSTV, utia or subscription, auto water, utility. We use online payments na and also 11 income. But I know caveat all say the auto and the online. SSA Nipano and I say Jumakuno will register with Ghana Revenue Authority.
Okay.
So on register auto ADN now be 11. Nti kwanya abanyafa Ede magana fo enya akwenya se wo tade a make sure so beto ade if you be or no so utua to dem abai.
And yes, I won't ever tell.
And yes, I won't ever tell.
Me scenario yes we three we see here. Me wa carpenter near or ye adwuma ma me. On register with a buy. Me sending the momo to say they may send it normal and TB me send it in sky but but I don't know why avoid the tax no because waji aye adwuma. Sir saying any a bit me enya nipa kroma or come into the tax bracket.
I don't know say I avoid. Don't avoid it. I don't know do any business. So I carpenter maybe I no one cry. Name am don send in sky. Obe send name am sky. The utia no the same thing be send a wife. And I send the baby and I send the business. Anytime I also be transfer na betim. Nti on avoid it.
Right. Yemra the
the tosu enumerous na me can exclusions no.
Exclusions, yeah.
To make your friend of specified merchant payment say the auto idea on register auto idea no will be 11. It's a way of alerting you say deal with people who are tax compliant. In the carpenter ni say cra say ebeya catch and so on register so that next time utia na enya dia levy no ye better. The also enum mobile money agents no. Also mo send sika ema omo transfer omo ye within omo business no so levy enka. The agent baako a transfer ma agent baako. And also almost send ma omo master agent enya dia 11 no ebe count. And the if so say o be throw check. Any check be a better out, but clear our bank be no so 11 enka.
Okay.
Akwenya nsien u firm emubia 11 enka.
Yeah. Me gidi yes and you go into so much details. Maybe later on, moko enimo kakra, we'll spend the whole 2 hours and get people to pose in questions and the rest of it. Bra wo kasa no ye wo chat bi e wo platform no so na me de amanfo e de ahwe. But me mra sa chat no so na me misa say one my exemptions be say wo hwe a year de wo so ya transfer amount 20 cedis yentil 50 cedis yentil 100 cedis yentil but 150 taxable amount in 50. Let's just say abro 100 and 50 in year better. And we levy charge no 0.75. And total charges near 0.75. So you mo table is each let's just say one network pay. But say from one network to another network because mean himself Vodafone for say omo charge. MTN charge is it 1% or something. Sa situation no, how do we unravel it? And you say be mama for nyina betin akọ Vodafone na Vodafone for ne all the other ones from ho akọkire omo na.
Chat we chat if you Ghana Revenue Authority. HL say sika we na ho say ne levy amount ubenya na ya calculate amount.
Okay.
We contract our no hotel ko e they say no the Ghana Revenue Authority.
But obi beka say ema 11 ne boy yedin because ka hona na manfo sin because we 1.50 na say mfa say MTN charge 1% e levy am etu 2.5.
MTN charge 1%, MTN charge 0.75% from 1st May.
Okay, so then obviously saba ka honti the obi kan say na sa na ne boy ya den aban ni telcos no enkan say omo betimi agimo de ni bi na amane boy enye den because no ka ho na manfo sun
mami mbisa o say abrotre na mo wo no would you prefer to pay to a private company or pay to the state for the state to take care of you?
So private person no give me more. So private person give me more than the abaye na me ho ba kire me think me complain.
But private company and provide the streets. Private company and provide the security. Ohwe Ghana ye nipa ye Ghana ye dɔɔso pa ye 30 million. Uhwe mu a on etua eto direct tax Ghana. Yendu ya kosora na 2 million.
Okay.
One ebetumi aye adwuma Ghana. That is the active workforce. On your base 12 million. It means that there are 10 million people who are making income in Ghana. And so direct tax, we acquire a buying air faso, I'll be to me, ama Ghana for do na a contribute to taxation. Abrution more, especially Scandinavian countries, who say etwo ye joke. Na ene obi wo babies as na omo de bia yehu de omo de taxes na bia Ghana wonhye de hu de tax akwenye wo ho ne se Ghana for tisi anim de ekoso.
Okay.
Nti yutumi tua tax dodo a ema ya akwenya tumi a yebibisa ye mpenimfo se na tax no monchre de mo de tax na ye was akwenya.
Okay.
To me the courts to me a pine be brave or wow to me a faso. Amount penny for na ye day to me a show on sa on a beshes any attacks no on be use no ubi to me a question na omo baby yano ediama.
Yeah, answer na obekono yen share comment back obi a day aba or say every country benefits from those levies and taxes for development, and it's time we should understand this, and our leaders should make good use of it and make account and where we'll use them for. Answer now, our doors are open at a point in time, maybe one Saturday or one of the evenings. You better not say then people will come in with questions and concerns or more. No addressing it directly at the amai. And then I'll be giants and our PJ.
That's the Mekache Ghana for a woman and say more disika SNA more adofo Ghana. Mon try and convince on say on mind the tour near the teacher. It will must say to ya adding. And so I say in Kakra Ghana for you to miss and ye tua a tour. Na ye say you to me as a queen and I remember you to me. Am I to me beside penny for say me tua to me kind as a cemetery me tua fin in I be a me 1,000 Ghana. Nti no be ma me tumi ma me bisa me penifo se wan fa me sika no anyi bibi papa ene wo be account ya ma.
Oramako meda CP Senator Kakai no ye be apronato, and there are so many questions on the platform bre e wo ma ye bebisa. And so we are assuring you say at one point in time ye ba arrange na woni atifo ane ahwefo ane people in the diaspora na ya nyada interaction sebe ya question bi obi ewa me mentimi abisa no almost so ebetimi abisa ya me sure ya da CP
Medas.
okay. Opinion in say ye Ramako or ye head of the project management at Ghana Revenue Authority and or de ho enchichemo at the Ebreno. Okay, yet was so the community and the law. Sanya, you see, at here no, you can Mramu and some UK honey, and I heard your wolfie and so, and they acquire affect earing. Anti Ghana Revenue Authority for Eddie and Komei, question be a war, and a home a be a between us and their brain. As I said, we'll plan and have him one on, I think we can do a Friday evening. Now, you say, you know, or more ebedin komobi brain, now fe, or more acheche, near senior, a see at here. But that's so any Penny Lawyer Patrick Ewaha.
Oracle.
You see, yile.
Say, oh, here now, Akutubabem.
But I think he's made it quite simple for
well,
us.
Absolutely. But said you wouldn't know a very simple amount of beer or tessa. But then when it comes to say echo grounds honor, that is where the problems begin to crop up. And Senya pointing out, there's been feeding problems almost shas no crowd, almost the shas here.
Yeah.
And I think say early days as yet, say obi ebia or try say or can say ebia, we're all good because we're not.
No. Yeah.
Because problems here always anything you can. I don't think that it's gone away because we can say bia still are no. Kakra bi o still and say
no much more.
Absolutely. Because the same you can UK now or send this e akoma obi wo Ghana. Then won't you e-levy because it doesn't apply at all. Because we now wo tiama no ne emra no encover because we wo baby foforo. Nti ono na wo Ghana no se wo na wo send na emra no enchew no se enchew de a na chese ono so ensese ye no. But we're yet to see, say, a bit me effectively. That is the point. I think, say, SSC is noting that. But it's very interesting to know that as well. Say, the omo na ebia anka omo ti omo ya omo na so ilevia basika kakra me de komo ole de ato paracetamol so eno se yesan bete no ama eswate. Now no ye hu say ya dadabafo no ilevia enkan nti ye send this kind of sisia no ebetimi asende a yenhwe yechi na mo send so am se mo emunyedu because obi akọ mistake na what e-level kakra so but make adjustment just in case
where the ma interesting the same say misconceptions any misunderstandings a woman you have the chance to retrieve your money say you're too wrongly. I hope say enkoye mabo.
No ni asem no. Sika de call ahimfia. It said the ensan call ahimfia. Neba no aya na sometimes no adding.
That's right.
But semra no ho na boye nyina ye ho ban dia. Then we will look to see say the law will work effectively. Said be ya obi wo ho na they've been shortchanged that. Obetimi enya refunds back na ama sanity aba system no. But we will see. Nina boils down to sikana ye jijino die nti enye sikana omanfo ni tua no na ye a problem. No, I don't think that is a problem. But over the years any sika ya jiji 2 million kakra na o kan die ya jijino show us
what you have done with it.
Exactly. Apart from that the resources now ye wono show us the revenue from those resources what you've done with them. Because TV, we follow what is happening in the country, and some of the things are obehuno, ebi na air because a whole Kolebu teaching hospital, minim da yedi paint ekano. There's a school in Kumasi called State Experimental School.
I want to school.
Thank you. The last time, Oreku, Pila na a hold the story building na Nkwala Kumu School Pillar no a whole cement nyina adri and you could see the iron rocks. And
I've got a picture here. I've got a picture of my phone.
That
me who you mirror who papa say
so you turn V8 back wa sa adwuma no ebetimi aye no within 24 hours.
Sa school no won wa atete won. Amo anyini abeye mpani akese no.
Yeah, so
enyasem ketwa enti well, I was going to put that picture on, but
no, but
status for rental.
This is very important because in Kwalakomu school, it's yen train ma sebe iron rods ni na embubu na dako beti to say Malcolm there no happen. Malcolm there it was obviously a tragic accident. We don't know, but again, in Kofosse a structural problem. Saasuna school wa mamita I work for so many years, but see I know why am or patch also mumra na rescue me, I think say be nice impo say you be drilling nyina gu na ya modernize no na computer labs science lab na niema bi ahihye nti ya to ma mo na mo cool school
temptation no so I hear me say me fa foot to temptation no so but anyway you know yeah that's all award the community and the law BWF Solicitors and yeah dom na fe what they bring BWF Solicitors 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so 7 Sisters North London now and then yen koma ye dey bro no question you be say why has the Home Office rejected my Ghana marriage dissolution certificate I know answer krani e be koso no me say moma yemfa ye nugget no emfa emro na ye mebisa ye lawyer no nche ye mu tentem kra quickly na ye nugget ene ye dey bro no apart from 11, Mama Yemisawe, say deprivation of British citizenship. Secretary of State may deprive a person of his British citizenship even if he was born in the UK, if the Secretary of State is satisfied that deprivation is conducive to the public good. However, she may not make this order unless she is satisfied that order would not make this person stateless. We ya bosso paying, but ye person timu na fe wasumu ajo na senior ct na sabi one fall into any trap and yes sign a day aba. May kind view the Secretary of State may deprive a person of his British citizenship even if he was born in the UK. If the Secretary of State is satisfied that deprivation is conducive to the public good. However, she may not make this order unless she is satisfied that the order would not make the person stateless. Inti say, you say yenye wo ye asetrano emfri winsem say when ye British. Said that answer and saying tuntum no ban na ukuta krata kokko no. Say ye Jeffrey winsem a he na ye do ebeko. Say ye nya ba bi mfa wo nko dia bia na omo antimi anya sa order no. Anana saying Rwanda dey abey no abesay no na say abeyan day. But mama misa lawyer na yenchichimu. Lawyer.
Yes, Oreku. Yebeba akirefo gina kwa ba na ye chia omo soronko se ewie so omo ne abompu nimpu e wa ha. That's right. Yenim se ewie no bossa na ya na parties ne funeral.
Town. Nkrofo e bojam pa nya se bitwa we see e for many ho.
Ya na me jealous kakra. Because barbecue sent no ya na
That's right. That's
but yeah, koso na yeah can we nyina so I think that this is just a quick one. You're very careful because apart from COVID Sebi Abama ya sitinemu ya ahwe no enye no nko na wo sisia.
Okay.
At the moment one adia aba monkeypox.
Okay.
El call round at the moment. Inti ye gada as nipekua. I think say whilst observing your COVID protocols ni nyina so no yenye a bit careful with baby a ye ani womo ye ne womo meeting because we've had a case in the UK ongoing at the moment. It's necessary a bit careful. This particular one now abano free yeah backdoor West Africa, Nigeria and a buy. And you know, as I say, you're careful because you say that side of your crew mo honom no. Omo de nyama bebre wo ho a omo timidi. Bia omo your friend is saying denchem nam ne sa ne mane nyina. Minim say yesuso ye pa krante ene sa ne ma no. Nti obia ne de ope but ye hwe yi na ankofa yare ni or how for be answer and family.
Okay.
So going back onto deprivation of British citizenship, senior okan no sa penalty wo ye nationality law no mo no abaya ye nhihia se obi ewo citizenship na yenim se sa citizenship ya nipa no wo no ensem fatase sa nipa no benya aban ayemra eno na waka sisia no yes section 40 British Nationality Act 1981 no yen hihia de ato ho a ye betimi age sa citizenship no krata no ade free wunsem now when ye emra foforo a 1981 ene bae we emra going back even 1914 no na saa mmara we na ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛna ne yɛabɛhyɛ mu kana yɛde aba yɛnim so sɛ even going forward no new nationality bill na aba no koraa no still ɛno so ɛka ho asɛm nti yes ɛnya ade foforɔ. However, there are grounds ansana yɛbɛ deprive of British citizenship no yɛhwɛ nti ebi yɛ citizenship while obtaining by fraudulent means.
Okay.
And also say while obtaining by forced representation. And also say citizenship ebi wɔ hɔ a yɛde amount while obtaining by fraudulent means or by forced misrepresentation. And also say concealing of material fact. Ɛka homa asɛm na nkasa na ɛka homa citizenship na ɛde ma oni di mu no. But ebi so wɔ hɔ a yɛgye firi wo nsɛm because of its conduciveness to the public good. Na ɛno no yɛhwɛ wɔn a sɛbe wɔn di bɔne sum bi a ɛyɛ bɔne a sɛbe ɛkɔ anim.
Okay.
Ti wɔn involve wɔn self in terrorism. Obi wɔ hɔ a or you're part of an organized crime group bɔne akɛseɛ pa na wɔn di. Bi wɔ hɔ no ma wɔn involved with child molestation any pedophilia any saa nneɛma no nyinaa no tumi sɛ wɔn yɛ involved with heinous crimes a ɛwɔ kurom ha ebi wɔ yɛ organized ebi wɔ so a ebi a ankorankora na ɔdi saa adwuma no ti saa afɔ wɔ nyinaa no akwanya wɔ hɔ de ma aban sɛ ohun biribi saa obetumi agye saa citizenship na ɔde ama no ɛfiri wɔn nsam. However, sɛ aban bɛgye so a na aban so wɔ asodie ɛne nhyɛ sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ ɔhwɛ sɛ ɔgye citizenship ni free wɔn nsam a ɛma wɔn bɛyɛ obi a ɔyɛ stateless meaning sɛ ɔyɛ British ni yɛagye o British citizenship ɛfiri wɔn nsam sɛ yɛgye ɛno no free wɔn nsam a wɔn belong to kuro biara nti kuro biara ni hɔ a obetumi aka sɛ me free kuro
so
aha ne awo aha ɛna yɛ wu kuro watena ha fiti obi kan Kwame Nkrumah pen so nti no sɛ yɛgye saa citizenship ni free wɔn nsam a uni kuro foforo bi a wokɔka sɛ aha yɛ me kuro ne nyinaa no ɛsɛ sɛ aban taking into consideration UN ahyehyɛ mmara de ato hɔ a even to do that no ɛsɛ sɛ aban any UN for etimi liaison ma UN for etimi ma aban efrɛ ne sɛn power say yes deɛ mahwehwɛ mu nyinaa mu ahu no say na tie yɛgye tum sɛ mu betimi deprive ni pakro no yes aban okuro bia ɛyɛ sovereign nti okuro bia wɔ ne mmara a ɔde bɔ no ho ban but yɛn nyinaa so yɛnyɛ an island ye belong to ewiase nyinaa nti even though a obiara yɛ sovereign state a obiara tumi hyehyɛ mmara a ɛbɔ ne manfo ho bra no ye belong to ekuo kɛse a ɛbɔ yɛ nyinaa yɛ ho ban and which is the UN and other legislations a ebinom wɔ hɔ a bilaterally yasan anaasɛ yɛde yɛn ho akɔdɔm ekuokuo bi a wɔn nyinaa so wɔn ahyehyɛ mmara de ama yɛ a etumi ɛbɔ yɛn ho ban. So that is what it is. Nti ansa na aban be deprive wo no ɛsɛ sɛ aban go through these processes. But sɛ woyɛ obi a nneɛma a mabobɔ bɔso yi woyɛ saa deɛ ni bi a then aban hwehwɛ mu na ɛtɔ asom a obetumi agye o British citizenship no ɛde free wo nsam. Yeah. Now, the ɛsɛ sɛ yɛhu so no sɛ yɛn a yɛyɛ sɛbe amanfrafo a yɛabɛka UK ho no sɛ aban gye o citizenship ni free wo nsam a akyɛ sɛ woni hwee because sɛ wobɛnya citizenship na ebi a ɛnyɛ ha ne ɛwɔ but wabɛyɛ naturalization registration when you British citizenship na sɛ wonya o citizenship na cancel o indefinite leave to remain because o citizenship no ekuta superior power nti wonya no na cancel no nti sɛ yɛgye saa o citizenship no free wo nsam a na ɛte sɛ obi asoma wɔ soro na wɔhwan wase atwedeɛ na kyerɛ sɛ waka nsinsɛmu wa wontumi nkɔ soro osusu a wontumi mma fam na deɛ ɛbɛyɛ ne sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ wopɛ kwan a wobɛfa a wobɛsi fam na usi form you are only aban atentam. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, usia senior lawyer kai no enye ade ye ade foforo na ahweye na obetu yemfo se yenhweye se be ya enkoto amane mu eno eye ye negata omo ade emai ye BWF Solicitors ade mai wefre won na fe wonu wadi nkita ho 0208-493-7340 ananse 077-127-61884. Apart from we, there are questions we bring where be a obepese obetiasie. Wa kasa wetimi ejina wona so afele wo application forms na de opese check your documents na de ma ko hu BWF Solicitors. For number corona amaboso 0208-493-7340. Ebi onso so se opese woye appeal any applications ahodo ni nyina de emawa bomodin se obefre 0208-493-7340. BWF Solicitors entrusted community partners when it comes to the law. And inti ensa wo and konko fa baby for. There are so many complex cases omotimi akwama manfo ama omonsa aka omonkrata na say situation ankede omokomo no omotimi atwitwa age won afiri mu. Sani ya na da bia lawyer Patrick Ekano men koye ho say woni kabutu for ne ekohwe abum omode ombe disappoint. Akogina McDonald's obi ne kabutu so me office ne ye nyane sa lawyer for ni nyina papa for no omo registered offices omotimi adwuma. BWF Solicitors 214-218 Tottenham High Road no so 7 Sisters North London. Ubeko ho a ubetumi for train train Victoria Line now see 7 Sisters I use exit number 2 that will be anymore na Anna House and now more 4th floor. Monday to Friday, free anopa 9:30, ekopim enyumer 6 o'clock, or adwuma. Saturday day, appointment in Kwa. And tis a person who on weekend, we book appointment, not was shed, no one know about Bishia. Now, it drew Saturday, we also say, one my very reliable resource persons, Emma, Wabat, and Barbie Dinkomo, and that's any your name. Inia lawyer Patrick and Ede and Comono Ashisha so. Now, questioner and ne, media toa, maybe Bisa lawyer Patrick and say, na same said divorce one seminar apeja pala and amount for we say we may divorce yes simple to say crowd evidences ne hun tokwa ni ade no emra no ama abrasi kakra but there's one particular thing amount for na eche ya dream so and they say awaye na me ye Ghana nti me say yenkugu no Ghana na ya kwaje certificate the and I said dissolution documents, so to speak. They free Ghana ba. Yeah, by home office Debbie. So a certificate we they menje. Ade.
Okay, very simple. Only say sabi say yenti ase no na nyam maaye.
Okay.
And intina yama na ye very complex no. But enye complex at all. Okay. And manu ye very straightforward and very easy to understand. Oreku sebe sani empenufo akanto no babia ya chichi aboa no awani jano iti se sa netie dia de nanka yesusu se sebe maye maware wo fie na mikofi na mikogu aware na enkense hwe yukifo nka se bibi omon kansa intino the misconception any if you like the myth say UK for accept a year foreign divorce, especially because a free Ghana and internet be use a chrome as example. Say or more accept Ghana divorce no no correct.
Okay.
So that is wrong, and we need to make this clear. Say beya ubia better sa position no as say enya dia UK Home Office any UK aban or makase se ukogu waware wo Ghana now the certificate ne ba ha wo monje na emum enhihye wo ho.
Okay.
Enhihye ne se oreko se waware wo Ghana na wa free Ghana aba be do UK a na opese ogu waware a ye wo niema ye de hwe eniema no ye mienu ye hwe residents residents no ye hwe obi a oye domiciled now obia or yet habitually residents. So jurisdiction is very important. So we divorce very important. In conform choose certain jurisdictions because of how as our jurisdiction a favor or more.
Okay.
Nti no, say wo ye divorce especially. In crony bi o ho a, omo favor pa. Nti no, bibia ma pray na ma ye ne ejapade nyina bi o ho a, yes, etumi tena se ebu nkunta fairly no, eje de esefata edema. Nti no, majority of the time no, omo ye divorce a, omunim se bibi o ma ehia no, they are very careful in choosing where to divorce because that jurisdiction between
okay.
Back in the day, long time ago, na nkofo ye divorce na they try say ombekwa koye Italy, and then it developed a year jurisdictional tussle between Italy and so many other countries because ohun say Italy is very favorable.
Okay.
It's what woman no more you know certain big guys are almost no one person on Sabe Kebino. If you search another jurisdiction, now I call Italy to go and search that court before Ansana who says sa other jurisdiction. No? And so the Italian court will torpedo the other court. No one can say no, only jurisdiction because they've been searched already. And that was creating a lot of problem. Until say international laws, we try to clear that.
Okay.
So that is the basis of why Adientia in very particular about jurisdiction kra omokwako awari anyone. Yen family if you na yen hwe Dientia ye ka say you can cancel on awari go no ento. Why by UK? Ebi America say uni wukunu ene bae mu nyina mote hano. Aha, mo resident until you are domiciled here. And on top of that, you are habitually resident here. So be a domiciled baby.
Like a baby visa, a difference, no? Anything. Domiciled, right. Habitually resident.
Yes. Until be a domiciled. Domiciled, you can acquire it by birth. Into no sebi ye wo Ghana. So time na say ehon na papatia because e be a certain wawaro mamia. That is where you are domiciled. And then so on warren so then baby now mama no one ehon na we domiciled by birth. Into no sa domicile no ubetimi eja to one wakofa fufuro.
Okay.
Into ubetimi adopt a crew fufuro as baby a ye domicile. Into ye nyina ye tu bata na ya betina krom ha sebe ye ma wa ha ya beto adan wa ha ye rent wa ha ye adwuma wa ha bibia ye bia the UK and I say baby Yetino has become the center of our lives. Enuntino yaba benya another domicile ewahano. Ya adopt ya na ye choose by yourself. Inti ye domicile by birth no de edaso wo ho. But enye ho ne ye wo. Ye wo baby fufura ye ni ye choose see ye be wahano. And this is where we are also habitually resident because bibia ye bia aha ne ye no. Yetimi ko ye nchi Ekodi holiday. Ebi oha 2 weeks now about. Ebi oha 1 month. What chakra na ebi 1 year. But most of the time no. Say you obi a wa retire no wa go back to the country. Most of the time no ebi a owo UK. Aha na ote aha na ne ma ne busua eni ne juma ni ne bibia wo. So you are domiciled and you are habitually resident here. So wo say nipa yi. Say edu se ubegu wa warrior. This is the position of the law. Say sa warrior no ubegu na aban say esese yehu se nye court ena wugu saa aware na se nye court ena wugu saa aware na then enema mienu esese uye obi a saa time no a year up to time a yegu aware no na uye habitually resident ewo kro na yegu aware no so anaso se uye domiciled there anaso se uye a national of that country. Okay, inti se umiti saa enema we nyina na ugu waware no wo Ghana odi waware gu no eba UK aban se obegiato.
Okay,
but this is where the problem is with yentiase no. Say adenti na meti krom ha na meni me yire wo ha na ya ware wo Ghana na epesi yegu ya ware aware no ye ware under customary marriage ifie ne ye je no. That's right. So that is all fine. Ubetimi ayesa. Name no eniema medical bubu so esese apply to. Say apply now we are o the bar enye acceptable. Esese oye no court. Inti wa worry if you are worry. O de buy no UK aban agiatum because in Shishewo we've made the provisions in the law to accept the marriage, to start with.
Okay.
So we ye divorce because o worry if you are worry inti. Now o pese o ko jai aware no e wo fie se ne wo ye no pepepa. Emra no ema wo ho kwan. That is so long as at the time na o ye sa aware jai no e wo fie no. O ye domiciled in Ghana. Mo party ni mienu nyina mo ye domiciled in Ghana. Mo ye nkofo a mo ye habitually resident there. Mo ye nationals. Those options no are there. So mo ye sa na mo divorce wo fie a ubetimi certificate number and ye beje atum accept e ma wo de aye de wo pese wo ye bia. So nya sa na tie na empo mumupi e ye habitually resident here and I said domiciled here. Proud to mo ye divorce no dia na SSSR divorce no obeya okoye no wo court e wo Ghana nti wo de call Ghana court ti sene o back room ha na wa court e wo krom ase court enhwe se wa ware agu na ontwetwa mu mfamma se oye saa de no wo Ghana because Ghana agitumu nti no o de ba ha ye beji atum. It is the same thing with the customary marriage dissolution no se umiti those points na ma raising nyina na u dissolve aware no e wo Ghana enye court. So this is otherwise by court proceedings. So u dissolve aware no e wo amamre kwan so now the registration now the ka ho a now the bar UK aban ebegiatum because emra no ma ho kwan but where in the majority of the cases na yehu no u be hunu na bia obi or student inti urbano or any dependent ne yere ene ne ma ene ba kroma wo ma be settle wo kroma they become habitually resident and even domiciled here wo ma be tena for more than 1 year 1 year nechi no or how aba ama awareja ye pese eba na o masoma ama yakọ Ghana se yengu aware no ewo fie now se ukogu saa aware no ofie na ukoje dissolution certificate edi free now the baha enye acceptable a echese wagu waware no nti udi koye another immigration application a ubenya problem because eno no enye acceptable because and go through court any yegu no otena fie na ugu no se obetena fie susu na wagu no dia de ye kan se esese mumienu no muye domiciled there muye habitually resident and now say muye nationals of that country and say muye sa na mugu no fie a say ekrona amugu aware no woso ayi Ghana say Ghana gitumu dia ene o the certificate ne ba ha yeso ye beji atum wa ha but where wo ti ye krom ha na oni oyire no ohokani na oni ne te wo no munyina mote ha na matena for prior to the relevant date na mugu aware no 1 year no se mote ha dia then ye ka se ye enforce se begu waware no e wo ye krom ha court there be enye sa na ye ka de ye ka ne se ubegu no dia because se wo wuti ye krom ha na ye resident no se ubegu na ko krom ho court na kogu no enkotena se ne mpanimfo enkase ye dissolve aware no na wuwie a wako court akoka se court nhwe se ya ware nagu nti on fast stamp ensisi se ye dissolve aware no again that will not work nti se ubegu na ko court ho na koka che court petition the court se ma ware nagu na court ntena se ebia wa fa lawyer ono so afa no lawyer matena se abomunkro abobomu anu se ampa aware nagu na court edine 9 esifom the stamp asisu say ampase aware nagu na court amount certificate sa certificate na court no the ma no aya no atro so certificate of divorce and also say divorce certificate inti so hwe sa document na court no atena judicially no magu aware na be bia ni ho a e ka say confirmation of dissolution of customary marriage.
Oh.
Because I know the court na nkasa na atena se akọmọ nsemu etieti afanu no nyina ehu se aware no Kianiki. Say ye train ma ewiase ko na wie na bakra na enye yi intino tinton tan ye twem obia nko na onkobo no bra eno de court no na atena se aye na emom se wo kotena se ni mpanimfo edi hu abobo na uwie ukodi dissolution certificate because that is what people do ukodi dissolution certificate no na ansa na wo de akọ court akọchire court say onhwe se waware no egu
what you anoma ho na de
say anoma be ni na o ka say ebelebele a
was it there be what look would anybody be correct in saying sir sir we habitually resident and domiciled ewo UK ha na bia akoso for the past 12 months ideally no and kafa UK mirror never court ewo UK ha ne guno rather than say obekwa achire na wakoye mistake wan kwota de na say no wan koye the right thing na afi wo de beba na wo de immigration application bia no yes yenje nti se nka betini a would you advise say yenya na sa
absolutely because sebe wasumbejo onkoye bibi anase because half of the time no the problem is omo yesa nima we nyina no aya na ayese okofa obi so e na odi akwa akoye na nipa kro no so onim ni oye because bia yes nipa no te Ghana mrase nti ogina Ghana mraso e na dia ya ma but UK emre ya ye kan onhwe onim se sa mra bi wo ho a echese de waye wo de ba ha ye accepting se waware na gu ampa na waye ama nti no ono de ebia na nitirimu fan na oya ama nti no on the worst case no kra no se obeye bibia ufi se unim hunim de na obi e na wo kopa ne chose bia omoa wo na ya seek for expert advice because sa advice no betimi save maybe a couple of bucks yeah £1,000 and I say another £500 and I be sir into other intina on spend this initial your friend is saying consultation money no and fan koje
what you assume
exactly
yeah
now when you an expert advice the SSO okay our chief me worry no Ghana me ne me yire no ebia ye nyina ha ne yete ebi kra ha ne yete be se 12 months ni a ene ne nansen a watu se okotena Ghana afebo nti okọ but ye nyina na ha ne yete ana so se ne ye wo Ghana ene aba ha ana se ye nyina ye free akọ Ghana nti no say na me situation tie na ya tena se ye tutu na basa ne apre na ya hwese wo sa ni pay ehe na ugu aware na ebebo say ye court anaso say ye fie de ehe na beboa say enye ya no mu de ebi na ebi a bibi potin bi wo mu a ebi wo ho na enkwala wo mu ebi wo ho na ejapade wo mu ebi wo ho mu nyina na maye ebi wo so na ebi ono nko na waye ni nyina ya de a court no betumi take into consideration into se sa na tie dia na ode koninam nkwanchen na obi akofa dissolution certificate bi a sebe yenjintum wa bra nipa no susuti krom ha na chese wakwa akoye adwuma ehu nimfa so make us say why ye sa de na sa akọ dada
na ko say de animu ina
exactly so into no very important say ye bete sa ahanase say enye say UK for NG divorce no entum omogitum na emom fakwan
pampaso na ye the right thing
so ye the right thing there so the bar yes ombegiatum nti munyina mote Ghana for example mote Ghana no maware e wo Ghana e ho na mote mu ye domiciled there ena ntawantawa ba ena mopese mujaya ware nti mopese mujaya ware no ebia na bema no enya akwanya se oba abrochi wenya ne ho kani fufuro a ote abrochi boga obefa no de na ba abrochi nti no abase aware no esese egu na onya kwan na ono soso tumi ware ne yere fufuro na wanya no odeba because mu mienu mu nyina mote Ghana mumu bia nte ha Ghana na mote a mo bɔ mo bra ena akoba se aware no ase nti si gu no mu nyina mote Ghana na ebia mo ware customarily nti no mo pese mu gu sa aware no ewu fie se mu nyina mo Ghana na eho na moti eho na mo bɔ mo bra mo ye mo adwuma mo ma obia wo nti mo pese mu gu aware na yes mo betimi akɔ mpanimfo anim na sɛnea omo hyehyɛ aware no ma mo no omo fa saa kwan na so asa egu aware no na wo wi a wo betimi akɔ akɔgye dissolution certificate sɛnea yankɔfo de ba no in fact UK mrano kra no allow say mpanimfo na omo gu aware no kra no omo betimi atro letter e the account say ye na egu no eno kra no they accept it.
Oh, okay.
Nti no say why sa na wakogu aware no na wakɔgye dissolution certificate no say enu ni a say bra kwame de sa dissolution certificate no ye entry clearance application from Ghana to the UK accepted UK for ebegye atom. Say nya sa na tie na bra kwame te ha one ne yire ene te ha but omo ware customarily ewo fie ene de certificate na bra omo ene bra kwame pese oja na yire Abigail so pese oja na yire Abigail dia esanse omo te ha no ensese bra kwame ekọ ebusua fie na okoka se oja Abigail na oja ni wi a yamano dissolution certificate na odienu abase waja na ware no dabi enye adwuma the reason why enye adwuma no say bra kwame ne Abigail aha na motie and at the relevant date na either say mo petition court no ne egu aware na say at the date na the divorce was pronounced no say na mo nyina ha na motie a mo ye habitually and domiciled then you would have a problem until say ne yaka no bebre wo ho a na wa ye dissolution no na de court say ne kan no na wa kase court no en confirm say aware no egu ne nyina no will not meet requirement no yes
careful about that. Yeah, was your question maybe say and say adenti and me the marriage dissolution document efi Ghana eba court no eba reject lawyer cheche mu amayan scenarios near hold adin na say you might have a question or a concern na fi what the lawyer enti me be call ahoma so na fi maybe lines no 07 399208468 0739920848 and I'll send you a text and a WhatsApp and a brain 07950 422-780 lawyer ha oba na fe yi ano me wo dodo na e line so people are announcing themselves and making sure say hunu won team. I'm recognizing a few people. Theophilus Bitor, you are watching Frank Ampedu, Patience, Araba Prempe, you were Eric Bedu, Nana Kofi Bonsu, Pretty Queen Bonsu, Shirley Adams, to saying thank you very much for joining. Ezekiel Johnson, yes, you're doing a very good job there. You brought us this Oxford Dictionary definition of domicile. Thank you so very much. Mami Frima was so Eric Boateng, Obiba Kwame, and Afe wo Emmanuel Ousu, na Kofi na Mensa Ewaha, Richard Multimedia, Fidel Apreku, Sheila Ankara, Nana Berima Brimpo, and Sa Abna Pokia, Munyina Moa. So like the page. Pick up the link, share with people in your network. Tili Duma, Yahu Awaha, Dokasa Domuso Awaha, Najima Awaha, Nana Oberima Brimpo, and Sa. Thank you very much for joining, and all the others. Let's keep sharing. Sabia will be Ebenya Ehon Emphaso. Mami min ko na fi min fa the before I even pick up any calls. No, there is a message that came on our WhatsApp platform. No, na min fa lawyer na onyi ano am I lawyer it was so or say good morning. I'm saying probably he came in earlier than we came in. Or say my name is Eric from Ghana and was community health nurse, but have gone to school to pursue diploma in nutrition. videos on social media with you helping foreign nationals to travel to the UK and working there as citizens. I've tried to get in contact with the Ghanaian team here, but no avail. I'm married to 2 kids. My wife is a health worker here in Ghana. I know you're a midwife. Can we get opportunity, if possible, to come travel to UK to work as citizens in the UK? My suspicion is that be or say healthcare route, because or no say or your diploma in healthcare and also a midwife, which obviously they can take advantage of that route.
Yes, absolutely. Yes, into Madam Obia war industry no that Ghana. Obia wakwa to the level of a midwife, to me say najunimu edo, ntino bobio, ntino yes, obetimi ape ejuma waha. Na unya ejuma na ombema no sponsorship ha. Obetimi ama no sponsorship no mo sponsorship na ebe allow no ama all the ya papa aka ho ene nkwala no so etimi aka ho no maba. Nti I think say first things first. Senior, time passed. You discuss what platform you need the other platforms. No, I think said the notion and Kofu say, ma ejumano, but enye sa netie. Enye ena ye ma ejumano. Ne momuno wona sebe uye professional no. Una wo hwehwe ejumano. So, like anybody seriously looking for job, you go online and then make your search. Oh yeah, will search either Google and also say and then YouTube. We know say in Kofo a diagro, but we bring also compare Juma because of Bekono na Kofo aye videos. Omudia guwa omotre ebia companies any a year in Numekua. Omuma a sponsorship license in and I say omo vacancies were wha ubetimi a pinch omama juma. So that is what you do. It is a say madam research na unya a year a jumekua ubetimi amano sponsorship license obema sponsorship unya sa sponsorship na odia ye application or your application na ya papa betimi aka ho bi na ye nuanom so na omo ewofie no omu nyina betimi akasa application no omo de aba but unfortunately the way we frame the question no ma medwen say sana osusu say bia ye betimi amano ejuma but unfortunately ye ejuma
you just give the advice
we give the advice and then how you go through the process and how you do the application that's where we come in but with the job there unfortunately you have to go and look for it yourself. Look for a company, a healthcare company, care home who has sponsorship licenses. So they've got the authority from the Home Office to be able to recruit from outside the UK. Into a known now, now we application of the amount. Yeah.
Okay. You will be our line of Sunti. Young call now for the call. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good afternoon. What's that to say?
Yeah, afternoon, Patrick Floss near Refresh UK Coventry.
You're to say? Good. But your lawyer hired you. Why?
And Patrick, my question is, I think me 5 years. Me qualify, say, me year ebana, and after the same person, me qualify. A quite ben soon and I met me, it's a family number. Me papa nten. Me ni me wo fa neti.
Okay, to my head confused so o papa nten. O sa so no wo fa neti ntin pacho chechemu because get the o kana say.
Me wo fa rather than papa.
Pacho say?
Me wo fa me papa.
Okay. Until also what 5 years? What 5 years as then pacho?
Yeah, as a EU family.
Okay, until we are dependent, o papa so.
Yeah.
Okay. Until obi a we are dependent here, sabe obi kan onso wadwobo a ukoto plate. Until no meka se twen kakra ansa na unya wo indefinite na afi no etimi ama wo ho kwan ama wakofa wo ho kani ene sabe se nkwala bi wo kra wagya mo Ghana obetimi enya opportunity no na wakọ form aba. But at the moment no the intia UK aban amount of 5 years limited leave to remain no is on the basis that we are dependent on your ankle or EU relevant citizen. Enu ntina ya ma kwan set na krom ha. Nti woto wo fanchen e na wo ba bra. Ni nyina ase na wo hye sese. Nti twen ansa na bibia to yi na nyame ye wadom na wonya we indefinite na afa de waso a utimi fly your own nest. So te no corner you form your own relationship. You live your independent life uni obia eni asem. By this time I think say one here now do ho akoto asem.
Okay. That's
Okay. All right. Yeah, CP. Of course, so betimi afre number no wo screen so 0739920848. Also betimi afre na fe ya ne wo atwetwe enkomo. Yeah, another question. Good afternoon, lawyer. I will say thanks for your education. Long live BWF Solicitors. I say Home Office has refused my pre-settlement because my Ghanaian customary marriage was dated after 31st December 2020. Can I appeal the decision?
Of course. Yes. So Home Office make it decision. They say ma kan ma dwen. Adwen so de sebe obia wo hwene. Nti no obi kire na dwen a enkyere se de wo ka no eno wo so wadwen eye pepepe. And that is why Emrano has made why provision says Home Office can be now unjin tuma then who kwan say ubetimi appeal against it. Nemo no time period as say yes appeal no. Yes, any questions ubetimi appeal na. Yes, ubetimi appeal and I will strongly advise on appeal against the decision because what the Home Office has done with this decision is because this is what I see. Anyway, now me sure say wa wari ato ho nti omo a sebe omunim emra no se ne etie Ghana mra se de etie because Ghana mra no enhye wo se o wari a customarily a o register wari no emra no enhye wo sa in fact under section 3 no se o se later on o ko register emra no ma ho kwan se utim register sa wari no nti obi a waye efia warrior na ebi asa afia warrior no oye no 1999 emra bia anchechire ne se on register sa warrior nti oni certificate wo ho but warrior nta warrior no so ye gitum afei na ebi a one ne yire opese omotena abrochire bom nti no omaye se omo koji certificate na wakwa koji certificate no so koji certificate na there will be two relevant dates on the certificate. The first date, will be the date of the marriage itself. That date, would be 1999 because that was when ebusuane transe eye amane ni amamre eji aware no na yeji tu mu se mo sa nipa mienu mo ya awarefo. So that's the first date. The second date, ebeye date of registration.
Okay.
It is our date, eye data afei na we free wo pemu at your own volition na wako aban ho se me ho kani ye ware 1999 ene ye pese enye bibia sebe esinupi na edi adanse se yes ye ware 1999 intimisremo mo mame krata edi adanse se aban ma o sa krata na oreko unfortunately aban cannot date it retrospectively into ontimi nkonachi nkoka se because 1999 and now year aware into no ye register aware no need the date team so say o certificate 1999 into the current date ya ye womi ye year ya ye womi eno na aban e de hye so de amount nti em fa no say ene na ko ye registration so aban stamp so a it will show say 7th of May 2022 yi and na wa be register aware no eno nkyere say 7th of May na wo ware. So Home Office who's our document now. The first thing they see is the date of the registration. And immediately, they don't look at anything else. And then the first instance they said you be refusing the application because meet the requirements. So meet so there, not just a family member. So only family member, so I intimate mount family permit, and I say a mount residents, Emma Wuntra, Krumahano. So that is where the problem is. Yes, as I say, Yeniano or Cotalanjo or Monemuno, Mount Kujina Quanten and Cotalanjo because a Yenika Kesesabe, Yaka, the Senia Yakani, a had ye mount Nenisu, na Yamo who said 2 million won some. And at the way no onye boni to beti me challenge na ye kwa ho akade wo ho a ye de ko
okay
nti ye nsori anko keke because se oni obi kwa ako a esese wo boa nti unya tools ni obi bia sebe was a ekukọ okosu nyina nya prekupe no mo sori ko e atrase aboa no ho
ahihye ne niam wodam
na odeko nti okọ no sebe the friend so kasa obeto boa bawa or the nancy so and son or so beto bo na ball no nti se why wadwen say o challenge home office on the basis say ade na o se enye enokre na onjintu no oboa enye nokre e bia ono amu no se be onim ne oya then you should have a niema ebetimi abo ochi doma o de kwa ubekim na to form because half of the time almost the lawyers beba and they will challenge you.
Okay. Number no 07399208468 07399208468. We will be a home also. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good evening, boss. What saying?
Good evening.
You.
Yeah. But my question and immigration rules is about renting. Is that okay?
Is it about there?
About accommodation.
Accommodation.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Fabre, now you said lawyer bit me about why?
The thing is, there's a week now. Me a letter from the court. Say my landlord asked me for claim. Meanwhile, no, because my repairs fear no buy fear no na me a dumping near the leaking in the manema. And if you am say man can't change my pay and I court to claim or claim including or no compensation with 500 pounds something. Now me bizarre lawyer say before I may a fear and lawyer away and I may buy some my company for several occasions. I'm a master of the council. I'm a council refer me to environmental. Say if any lease would therefore no landlord no now say or take any responsibility of repair. But before I say me me take every pictures, videos near the idea and say me to me help me with evidence. And I used to take more than 3 months after reporting to the authorities, including the landlord. Now you see Misaka we were there and I'm on me to do I have to proceed for counter claim and now said the lawyer without any advice.
Okay, into then our landlord no claim say because if you know what repair so any damage, there's a problem there. But what repair if you know into say no then our claim say what repair if you know without the permission and answer what is the claim no?
Or see repair na repair no anka with now or me repair or nim ho hwe sa na wo kan na court no the chance was wo nim ho hwe na afi no wonya access mafia ha enti court no nyina so na repair no onye ni fika ma no na afi so court straight him
any scam landlord no
that is what I think say okay Chief, I think sir, you are better off, coming into the office with this letter, and then let's sit down and talk about it. Okay. Now, apart from that, what I'll say is, sir, Sabi Okohan ubifia. If you know Embe Yawodia,
obviously.
Who are right to say obey me excluding Nipano. It is a Nipano Baha or Becantro, and then as I say, we provided access, access because he be na kuka na say or person be repair. And also say be a whole new baby or person be repair. It's no better man access. But because of our renting hono, say be a unkwan our renting if you know now to or exclusive right or tenancy or exclusive right. Now, say oh high will be fear. Who tenant no wo obligations landlord na ono so dan ma ono or wo duty say ono so nti se bibi e wo fie na etechema na landlord no necessary ya then esese wo hye ne se onye se wo free wo pemu na wo kokoye a wan hwe ya no wanya problem because ebia na wato kitchen cabinet bi wo free se enye bibi a ehia no abona ache nti watu wakoto atwene ono so free se ebia nkasa kitchen cabinet yi me repair anase metu afrio e dia ko baby fufuro akọ repair na me de fufuro aba. That is a problem because me instances are ebimote eye council accommodation no no afini pemu e change kitchen no nyina na yasama wa yi affix
old one
current. So it's a problem. It's pacho the wo kano as a jump kakra because me hu die ntia landlord sebe damp woni fie na yes ebia wa amana mane ansa na waye but still no waye apenti hu nyina ma damp no ko amana be habitable na oti wona osande wo court eko make claim say wa amana mane na wasa ye ntima no minim say or claim for so it's a bit discombobulated into no pacho
court no entua expenses na ama me matia free na yi mu ne
because anyway na twetwe lawyer me ankasa kra me lawyer na twetwe so but what is expenses na free rent mo nyasa
me pacho ane
now
me man more than 3 months I needed a home more than 3 months and it needed urgent repairs because there was a leaking in our kitchen and the bath.
Okay. Yes, Ubetimi raised that in court, and the court will consider that. Yes, Ubetimi raises our challenge, against landlord. No say yes. Say na na finity. Wa bona mane so ombeye. Oti honum wo health implications. Ma wasitemu enyeye. Into waye. Car wo boy into wo receipts no. Wa boka say. Ena saa kana wa bono. Odi atenemu akopem saa time say. Into no so what here from. The court will consider that and see, yes, even though ABR, Ukoya Subrache Kakra, Senka, say landlord na wanye and a waye, but you've spent money in making the property look good and habitable to live in. It is a what size kind of free rent na ye due no more. Then the court will see sense in that and say, yes, you'll be okay. So I claim no, will make it safer. The Watson Ebeka Hono. Say a cover will expenditure now or they are repair if you know, then I think you should be fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I think maybe the more office not you're proceeding from there.
Patroyo, yate.
No worries. Yeah, CP. Thank you for calling. 07399208468. And also send the text on a WhatsApp a day abraying 07950422780 07950422780. Of course, be to me afraid, but Mama Yemfa sa texting Emfa and to so. Or say, what forms do you need to switch from 10 years partner route and paragraph DLTRP 1.2 of Appendix FM? And is the financial requirement for an applicant with one dependent 18,600 or 22,400? Technical question.
Oh, yeah, technical, sir. But I was just trying to read from that distance, exactly what test air. Okay, into Sani pay or 10 years partner route. Into 10 years partner route, normally, say a grant to waha. Now, usually, bibi waha exceptional, a wawa brabomo, and intina ya granto on the 10-year route because bibi waha nebia a tosini so as well. Usually, it will be your immigration status umiti intina ibema ako 10 years no so. Now, the entire can say bibi wo intemono and say ibi ana akwala wo mu asa akwala no or a qualifying child. So or a qualifying child now your application na meet immigration status requirement na even though the initial application is made based on exception na emrano aye provision e the amount because of akwala na one term omo grant wa again because only o partner na tinti no say the grant ne ma wa ebeba no na ya grant under the partner route and then you can switch ubetimi switch it to the 5-year route if you meet all of the requirements. So number 1, because this is here no ya ma o first 2.5 years no into ube meet the immigration status requirement no. The other thing now ube here English language at least at level B1. Then you would have to meet the 18,600. 18,600.
Okay. Any question? No, say financial requirement for an applicant with one dependent British child.
Okay, so apply a British child. Your friend is saying financial requirement and cover no. He needn't worry about Aqualano.
Okay.
Onunkwana yehwe enya Aqualana. Aqualana is British, so and apply to Aqualano. Into yes, 18,006. Now if you move by British, sebi seni ya woka say I know say it's a family unit. Into no say a family unit there. I bet me aka esinipise omo by British. Say otekisa boxes we nyina. Then yes, obetimi aya application to switch from the 10-year partner route to 5-year partner route. But 18,006 and 2024 to send your kind because British child no any part of it, yeah.
Okay. Young share wings so or say if you're going to be granted another 10-year route after divorce, change of circumstances, applying as a married partner of a British citizen if he meets the immigration requirements. It sounds like a follow-up question to and again, so maybe I'll be to me afra if you could Fred Nafe any studio number no and what so no a year 0739920846. You share this one too, Ansana. You ever pick any other caller? You should seek permission and advice first before any work commences in the property. If not, the landlord can raise issues or concerns and can land in court. So will be a work conversation.
Yeah, I mean that's absolutely true. But then yes, whereas you know, to say in the instant case of Yenue, yes, we raise the issue, so many times. It is wrong to usurp your friends and landlord
the powers.
Now one can say ode to me any kwan say but why wabo hoka you can demonstrate that indeed wabo sa kano say wabo kano na you put in the place up amana ye habitable there now court na even though yes why ya so brache no again you've spent money into court no betimi ahwe say okay yes na nkan say you say don't do that again into no there what ya tell na o sisa na ebeka na ya there yeah
0739920846. There's a question here. I'm saying I shouldn't show your name. Meanwhile, how can I ask a question? Okay. Or say or Nicola separated for 6.5 years. What is Bemano and Teapo, but Opeso put it in divorce. And then obetimi on compassionate grounds say if I send in the divorce petition and Nipano Ekasa on Tiapo on respond there, what can I do?
Well, Oreku, since the 6th of April, no. I'm assuming that any payer or Kasei or Kromha, anti Kroma Sem now near Eka. Yes. So Sanet here, since the 6th of April, no. Mrano assessor. Ama a divorce no and then no so first 5 factors now near shedin nyina no ye year free ho ama reason for divorce no abeye ba akope said the marriage no has broken down irretrievably. Now yenim sane fact ye kire say nipa mu wo monte kra for over 6 years ni senka dada na nka betimi anka say almost separated for over 5 years in Tinokrana, based on 5 years separation, court on ma our engu. But where the Yasasamrano, into new regime no near the year Juma. New regime no so reku. Say u petition court no say would divorce will be nipa na would divorce no. A crime bebre ni wa obeka say men penema won't divorce me. So unless it be a nipa oni capacity. So there's mental problem, with this person. Only capacity or they respond. Any be a jurisdictional problem to send ye yabobo bosono enubia. Then it will be very difficult to say ebia because or yareke kentino obeka say on sign because a net divorce na aba no untimi nchichiro obi say onware ochinchinachi. Inti say opel say on pill court no can go ahead and then pronounce divorce because yes obese nipa krono but say nipa krono enye ready say obesan there are provisions court no be allow ama divorce no I go ahead.
Okay. I'm saying any kid your voice note about trying to explain his point.
Good afternoon, Rico. Good afternoon, Richard. Maybe I mean outside to me and Fred. But question it was full of Madam Fubina why we were and a divorce abomina wejai. But oye divorce no why divorce all right but anyway the expiring way the BRP I think say some months be was where a be expire. But a person who say all change it to another partner. Are they going to give him the 10 years route and as we are or immigration or meeting immigration requirements? You be man 5 years instead of 10 years. I don't know person because first one not only tinty you man 10 years route, but we are person who say your best is 5 years or it's still going to be the 10 years route to start all over again.
Okay. Until as some now I can put or confusing few things together. Okay. Until they not all chance here can also Obi was granted 2.5 years as a partner on the 5-year route.
Okay. If you don't mind, your voice note
on the 10-year route.
A voice note bit me repeat.
Yes, Patron. Yeah.
Good afternoon, Rico. Good afternoon, Richard. Maybe I mean outside to me and Fred. But question it was full of Madam Fubina why we were and a divorce abomina wejai. But oye divorce why divorce all right but anyway the expiring way the BRP I think say some months be was where a be expire. But a person who say all change it to another partner. Are they going to give him the 10 years route and as we are or immigration or meeting immigration requirements? You be man 5 years instead of 10 years. I don't know person because first one not only tinty you man 10 years route, but we are person who say your best is 5 years or it's still going to be the 10 years route to start all over again.
Okay, so that's fine. Into the first partner so that time not presumably only immigration status. Into or yeah man 2.5 years on the 10-year route as a partner. And now sa warrior egu. But at the time our egu none leave no expire. And then when your partner fulfro into was switch to the new partner and ebisa say with the new partner you better sign the yenue back to 10-year
10 years now so
5-year route. All depends on pay say omiti all of the requirements. What are they? Yedi can say immigration status. From there yeti yinim say yenue or immigration status because it's not kind of 1 month. I'm going to form a new relationship with another person. So yes, I'll take this box. The other thing we need to know is that omiti the financial requirement, which is 18,600. So I'll switch it to the partner route. They are. It is a set or take care. And then they need to have accommodation. Again, presumably, baby or motive. So you can't accommodation now. Most of the time, I not be dream fee say ɛsɛ sɛ ɔkɔ han ɔno ane apartment ɛsɛ sɛ ɔkɔ han ɔno ane flat ɛsɛ sɛ ɔkɔ han ɔno ane house a ɔno nko antim ansa na watumi ahyew sɛ ɔwɔ accommodation. No, that is not what we are saying. Sɛ ebi a wo ne ho kani no nko a moyɛ mmienu no pɛ ɛna motena, then one single room
it's enough
in a shared accommodation no enough for more ebetimi meet sa requirements no. Nti that is what ye nua be me nadamfo no ɛsɛ sɛ to meet requirements. So meet here, then yes, you'll be put under the 5-year rule.
You'll be human so we're trying for quite some time. Thank you very much for your patience. Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening. Why?
Yeah, this is my first time.
Oh, okay. That's very good.
From Michino,
okay, Kabum.
Pacho, me person in this about human rights application. Still, it's still because my own say city this thing overseas. Changing of how do I say that? Changing of many things.
What kind of before you can go ahead to do it.
And see, me say human rights application up to now. Yet me and I
Oh, okay. Are you saying who create human rights application under the EU law?
No, under the EU law.
Oh, okay, because after Brexit, you are trying to find out, say, who between a year human rights application and
yeah, it's a long stay, about long stay.
Oh,
it's not Nipa Corona and do 20 years.
When you do 20 years, no?
Yes. But quite be or
when you how many years?
When you be 16 years.
Bear 16, I can't bear 4.
Yes.
Lawyer, and so you know between application.
No, 20-year rule, no long stay rule, no, very, very, very strict. You know, so unya 20 years no, na only exceptional circumstance be potting be na brabo ma obetimi demonstrate say no ntino even though unya 20 years no yenyina so ne mfa na it will fail. Ntino say you ni pay the circumstance no entisa then I would say
circumstance ni be there.
Well, obi wo ho na yare potting bi wo abrabo. Okay. Yare na o yare no sabe kodiewo kofie sabe kowu yare but also what you say. Ntino say ye ka se free hana kwa na aban ya toto international laws ase.
Yeah.
Nti numu nyina no yebetimi ahwe na aka say okay ebia nipa yi yes watena ha che 16 years is a lot of years to live in somebody's country. Nti no what formal ties wa if baby a ofri kwa no you've lost everybody. Nti baby anyone wo kwa akosfi obi akoka say mebusu ni bi ni ana you form ties here. This is where you've lived for 16 years. Baby a wo ye bia ha na wo ye no situation a wo mo no say ye ka se kwa yes, you pian what you call undignified death, and you can make those your friends and submissions. No, now what they are about to say. Okay, fine. Even though as a senka 20 years, and son of me apply, but menya 16 years. 16 years no. No my brother, and you must say, and my brother mammy fee say, as I said, mo share na mo de money to na mutimi mammy coin na me tina ha na me bomb bra. Kopem say bia obo ade na ebeka say waton sa afre me say nya sa ade a it will fail. I mean we've done some for people not omunya 20 years. We've done one, we've done so many. Yes, it can be done, but majority of the time there's so we show the entire office say meet a year sa 20-year rule meet requirements na SSS still now yeah them out.
Okay. Yeah. Minia, does he answer your question?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That's it. A few nigglings here and there. And you're quite copper, you're quiz, Eddie will be right back. Okay, Oguso share the community and the law. Aka in last segment nafi yedijmedino ba newie the very first Saturday of May 2022. Senior BWF Solicitors eboying echeche yen nafi yete niema se yana pese ye so wadwene ehwe se ye ka ene ye ekoso no sebe oti ase anase etese and inti ye last part of the program no ye the yen quiz no nafi ye senior unso ubetimi affair on that. So get ready, and this is the quiz no senior ye de water. Mami, maybe so question way. Why are ready? This is our scenario. Edi way akaime osuabrobo ne tetefo no a friend Tokyo Joe and said near what haircut to be trying to have some so me try to
and I'm a phone buy no best son no half currency
okay well, as me am making in some for the Bahamas.
And any day I said me.
Thank you for your punk me be down.
It's almost now.
Say I know say open accounts in my house open. Okay. Tokyo Joe. Tokyo Joe was born in Hackney in 1980 to parents who were also born in the UK. His grandparents were born in Ghana and held Ghanaian passports when they arrived in the UK in 1958. Tokyo Joe was convicted of murder for stabbing and was sentenced to 15 years in prison. On his discharge, the Secretary of State served him with notice to deprive him of his British citizenship. Tokyo Joe argued that as he was born in the UK to parents who were also born in the UK, he could not be deprived of his citizenship. Tokyo Joe, you won Hackney 1980. Now for so you were more UK ha. Nina nanom, a year ne mammy and ne papa no and mammy and ne mammy and ne mammy papa, ne grandparents, Sana Mekano, were born in Ghana and held Ghanaian passports when they arrived in the UK in 1958. Tokyo Joe eko wo bisekai and I yedene 15 years. Ye no Secretary of State say mpacho kokrom. British citizenship na okutano kra no ya Jeffrey winsem. Tokyo Joe say da me ye wo mo UK. Maofo were also born in the UK. And nti yentimi enje ne citizenship in freedom 70 way appeal against the decision. The appeal will be allowed because the Secretary of State cannot deprive him of his British citizenship as it will make him stateless. Appeal no will be dismissed as the Secretary of State's order for deprivation will not make him stateless because his grandfather was Ghanaian. Bacho yentu answers ningumai na fi yenhwe the lawyer so adebema the answer. Yeah, there's a lot of feedback. We've gotten that corrected. Thank you very much. It's okay now, Emmanuel. Thank you. Emmanuel has always joined us on YouTube. Emmanuel, thank you very much for your observation. Okay, yenhwe quiz question there. Any K the answer about any K will say number 2. As I say, I said tefe ahwiase no anye wandai ya obobutu. Okay, call the next one. Odesheba nana kwaku made the essay number 2. Number 2 no HS you better dismiss the appeal no because nana Ghanaian. We share second paragraph now, or say his grandparents were born in Ghana and held Ghanaian passports when they arrived in the UK in 1958. And Sakra no mobile Tokyo Joe, my men and papa had not been cancer. Na nina nanum Ghana from Kuta Ghana passport. And in Tina, amount for kase say ye kase ye deportuna and nasi deprivano of ne citizenship on your stateless because obeko Ghana and free. Any other answer? Okay, mami clue be answer crown mama lawyer. I'm just trying to be lenient here. In we yen nuggets na lawyer ade ebre ye no Bimu Ewaha said the Secretary of State may deprive a person of his British citizenship even if he was born in the UK, if the Secretary of State is satisfied that deprivation is conducive to the public good. However, she may not make the order unless she is satisfied that the order will not make the person stateless. Inti sir uhwe ene quiz na me de eba na answer ebe den yenhwe Ezekiel Johnson. I'm confused as whether or not dual nationality rules in 1958. Ezekiel, that's a very good point and an argument. Okay, but what shall I doing? We'll say number one. The appeal will be allowed because the Secretary of State cannot deprive him of his citizenship or Bemanoa stateless. True, but your parents as British makes the bit confusing. Okay, then I'll be poor answer. So what dear, I don't know. More what's up and also no most mobility me at the more answers no alpha WhatsApp no so 07950422780 and chakrana me lawyer ababe yi ano ade amai me sign amount another clue. Yeah, let's go back here to nuggets nowadays. The Secretary of State may deprive a person of his British citizenship even if he was born in the UK, if the Secretary of State is satisfied that deprivation is conducive to public good. However, she may not make this order unless she is satisfied that the order would not make the person stateless. We Section 40 of the British Nationality Act of 1981. Does it change your mind? Let's see. Answer being by Divine Diamond essay number 1. And the next one, Erajua say number 2. Why bill and but let's see what you have. Or text number is 07950422780 07950422780. Yenko YouTube Malam Gaidan number 1. Number 1 Yenko back to the quiz bill. Number 1 saying the appeal will be allowed because the Secretary of State cannot deprive him of his British citizenship. Erajua say number 2. Okay, Erajua, I think I've picked yours as well. And at this point, Tokyo Joe was born in Hackney in 1980 to parents who was born in the UK. The grandparents were born in Ghana and held Ghanaian passports when they arrived in the UK in 1958. On his Tokyo Joe was convicted of murder for stabbing and was sentenced to 15 years in prison. On his discharge, the Secretary of State served him with notice of deprivation just to take his British citizenship away from him. Tokyo Joe argued that as he was born in the UK to parents who were also born in the UK, he could not be deprived of his citizenship. Lawyer, Asamaba. Tokyo Joe Asamaba.
Yeah. Baby, I do them say, obey Sakura. No need na
Ucha Angela say number 2. Okay, yeah, you hear the lawyer so Ebeka.
Right, very cool. I think from the beginning, we've discussed a nearma a bit in Siama UK buying would deprive you or be off the citizenship. Until you share ni sabe someone near Wakakudi near the Totohua. Na you bit me aka say or the Nwakwa koto asemu. Nti sene ya ken ya kan so say obe deprive of o citizenship na ese say ohwe no hu say o say nipa yi sa deprivation no enko lead to wo becoming a stateless person. Now stateless person no ono ne hwan.
Okay.
Ono nu obi a sebe ya je ne citizenship afri ni nsem a ontimi nka se ya je eno nu wi a ofri kro A ana B ana C ana D so.
Okay.
It say kro G edge citizenship ni free in same. That's it.
That's it.
Kaput.
That's what can say more.
What can say more?
I apply.
Only baby ako. Na afedi osensan ho. Ye nua yi case. Ya kyerɛ ne nanamo efiri Ghana ene bae. Nti number 1 na ne nanamo eye Ghana fo. Nti omu free Ghana ne bae. Na wofo a omo wo no ne de. Omu nyina no ye wo mu okrum ha. Nti ekame say ekruma na omu susu omu free. But why ne Ghana ni? That is the question. Why ne Ghana ni? Nti yenim se Ghana ni obi a sebe ya wo no Ghana anase na wofo ye Ghana fo na se ne nananom ye Ghana fo. Saafo ni nyina no etimi ye Ghana fo. Obi a wawar Ghana ni ono susu betimi a naturalize na ono susu abaye Ghana ni. Obi susu a wakotena Ghana chete se de ye nyina ye tu bata ba ye titete. Ono susu betimi aka se ye ma ne nye Ghana ni amu abaye Ghana. Ye nue Tokyo Joe na ne nananom ye Ghana fo. The fact say ye wo ne maame ne papa e wa ha. Na so na mo parents ye Ghana fo no ensesa sa omo Ghana yo no. Nti again not the parents almost so ye Ghana for ansana ye wo no. Nti se ye hwe chain na ye kono a nipa wa yira wo chain mu e ye Tokyo Joe. Ono na so onye Ghana ni but oboa o ye Ghana ni because na ne nana e ye Ghana ni na wofo e ye Ghana for. Nti ono amu no so a ya wo no Ghana ni no ya wo no at time na ne maame ne ye Ghana ni na ne grandparents e ye Ghana for no. Ono so eye Ghana ni. Inti Tokyo Joe say ye depriving of the British citizenship na on be ye stateless because of the Ghana ni inti obenya kura obetimi akoso. In that case no na che say ye answer for a next quiz no eye number 2 because ontimi nka say ye gye nationality na oni kura okoso. In fact o kura okoso ofri Ghana ye be gina tum omra no meboa economy no na ye pagency ni na so because yes wabenya nimde ni nyansa wa ha is good ebeboa ye na yesusu yatumi enya ye ma no ho mfaso yes that is what it is your answer no number 2 but what we need to know is in fact I think I should have mentioned this but I didn't. What we need to know is you deprive of citizenship emrano ma kwan to appeal against it. So under the law, section 40A1, no, right to appeal to the first year tribunal against deprivation. It is when I say on first na ujina onaswa yes, ubetimi appeal against decision onako. There are other nuances where yes, ubetimi deprive but ABR or family life with ubia or qualifying child and answer or family life with ubia or your British citizen, our worry, no one in one mom or family life, all of those things, will come into play. I know so beti mi amawa, what you revival or assistant, it will come but say passport ni free unsema, so indefinite leave that is gone. You start from ground zero. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Ezekiel Johnson, I say thank you for the scholarly explanation on this matters for today. I was confused. Tokyo Joe. Tokyo Joe could a traveler or the Asama. I say they should also consider public interest. Well, maybe a Tokyo Joe and I'm the head you meet me the Nakogana. His criminal sentence of 15 years can land him deported to Ghana, nothing more.
Absolutely.
Oh, Tokyo Joe. Anyway, lawyer, the CP Yami Inshal say and then so when you're wadaje na you overtime kaka. Odin kind from time to time, yeah, near time overtime. Yeah, yami inshow. Ukudra for Asada Emma BWF Solicitors phone yina say Omaya ho kwan say yebetimi adijumedie abre atiefo. Atiefo nso so mo ene yen etna ye yami inshow. We thank you for your company. Kai said this program would be rebroadcast on BW Radio. China enyumre 7 p.m. UK time, which will be 6 p.m. Ghana time. 7 p.m. UK time. It will be rebroadcast on BW Radio. BW Radio ubenya wa modern Ghana platform. So announcer uko BW communications.co.uk bwcommunications.co.uk okoha ubetimi enya yen radio link no na watie programs no then our videos are yeah for all the programs near the nyina ewo website no so www.bwcommunications.co.uk yɛde aseda ɛma obibia sɛ ɔhwɛ yɛn na afei yɛde dwumadi ɛbrɛ wɔ yɛwɔ no dasene nyame ɛyɛ adom same time next week we'll be back again and I've had several queries and requests sɛ yɛnhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛtumi asan yɛ E11 ni bi wɔ yeah that will be very timely nti yɛne owura mo ako ɛbɛsan akasa bio ne ahwɛ sɛ obɛtumi ama yɛn some 2 hours of his time na afei yɛne mu nyinaa adi nkɔmmɔ yɛfrɛ mu Reku Frimpong yɛn guest na lawyer Patrick no ɛwɔ BWF Solicitors asoyɛ ɛbɛpɛ mu mbɛsan ate ne nka bio nyame nhyɛ mo na ɔnhyɛ mu nyinaa ɛden na ɔma yɛn asetena pa kɔsi sɛ yɛbɛsan ahyia bio.
Everybody say,